In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make my Progressive insurance price low. If you want to lower what you pay for car insurance, a great place to start is by reviewing your current Progressive policy carefully. The first thing to look at is your existing coverage. Take a moment to check whether your coverage limits, deductibles, and any optional add-ons still fit your current situation. Sometimes people keep coverage choices they made a long time ago, even though their needs have changed. Making sure your policy matches your real needs can help you avoid paying for coverage you may no longer need. Next, consider increasing your deductible. Your deductible is the amount you would pay out of pocket before insurance helps cover a claim. In many cases, choosing a higher deductible can reduce your monthly or yearly premium. This can be a smart move if you're comfortable handling that higher out-of-pocket cost in the event of an accident. The key is to choose a deductible that saves you money without creating financial stress later. You should also take full advantage of any discounts available. Progressive may offer savings for things like safe driving, bundling multiple policies, insuring more than one vehicle, going paperless, setting up automatic payments, being a homeowner, or even having a good student on the policy. Discounts can add up quickly, so it's worth checking every option and making sure nothing is being missed. Another useful option is enrolling in Progressive Snapshot. This program is designed to track driving habits, and if you're a safe driver, it may help you qualify for a lower rate for drivers who brake smoothly, avoid risky driving patterns, and keep generally safe habits behind the wheel. This can be an easy way to unlock additional savings. It's also important to maintain a clean driving record over time. Avoiding accidents, tickets, and traffic violations can make a big difference in what you pay. Insurance companies often reward lower risk drivers with better rates, so safer driving can lead to long-term savings. You'll also want to keep your policy updated regularly. If there's a vehicle you no longer own, or a driver who no longer needs to be listed, remove them from the policy. You should